Okay, y'all, this is the problem that I gave you on Wednesday, and the goal is to find out how many games did the team win and what's the total number of games. Well, we were given that the team won 40 more games than it lost, so we have that. We also can assume that road and home games are the same, so what I did is I labeled the variable x as the number of home games and the number of road games. They should be the same. We're assuming they're the same. And so the total games would be the wins plus losses, but since x represents just home or just road, x is half the total number of games. And so that's why W plus L divided by 2, the total divided by 2 is what x is. So anyway, 3/4 of the number of home games they won plus 2/3 of the number of road games they won, so this would be the total number of winnings, W. Get a common denominator, okay, so the fraction, and then I went ahead and substituted for x the total games divided by 2, wins plus losses divided by 2, and then I multiplied the reciprocal. This became 24 on the bottom because the 2 times 12, and that's 17 on the top. So then the W plus L is left. There's the reciprocal, 24 over 7W. Okay, and then I subtracted W, so I subtracted 17 over 17W. And so the losses is 7 over 17 times the wins. And then you just go up here and you substitute into this first equation, 40 plus those losses. So that's what's going on here. So again, now we're subtracting both sides. So 1W would be 17 over 17. So when you subtract 7/17 from 17 over 17, which is what I'm doing here, that's how you get 10 over 17. Then you multiply the reciprocal, and voila, you get 68 wins, which this total may not be right. Let me think about that. Yeah, to get the losses, you'd have to do 7 over 17 times that, which would be, let's see if that's true. Well, there's 40 more wins than losses, so this should have been 28. Now I made a mistake. I just realized that. Yeah, so you got 68 wins. The losses would be 28, and so we should be adding 28 here, and so that should be 96. Okay? Y'all stay safe.